So you got your hood popped open, you go to close it, and when you close it, no matter how hard you wish it wouldn't do it, you find it does this. It sits there in the back end, and you constantly need to walk up to it and shut it. You always need to do that. Hey, Bill with Restore Christine here. I've got a solution to that. It's real easy. It's simple. It's just some body shims, but you've got to know exactly where to put them. So that's what I'm here to do today, is I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that problem, and you'll never have to worry about it again. So let's get into it. All right, just so that you know that this is not the magic of the internet, I'm going to open this hood. I'm going to close it. It tries to go down, but it's not quite. It wants to stay up. Close it. It always wants to stay up. Right here. Ooh, trying to make that close. So the trick to that is real simple, and it involves a couple of body shims. So what you need is you need to get yourself some body shims like this. And I've got a collection of these. I got a whole box of these I got from off of Amazon, and it's got 32nd, 16th, and 1/8 inch shims, and you use these also for aligning the front end. Well, these also work really well on the body. But let me show you what you need to do. So the trick to that, what I was just showing you, the trick to solving that problem is to shim down the forward edge, the forward end of this top side of this hinge. So it's going to put a bigger gap here in between the hinge and the hood, and it's going to be tight back here. But what that's going to do is that's going to make that close. So let me go ahead and insert these two shims. I'll put them right up in between here, and that's going to fix this. Watch. All right, so the only thing we need to do is need to loosen up this forward bolt. Not the back one, the one closer to the front of the car. Loosen this up. And I have no shims in it right now. I'm going to give myself plenty of working room. Loosen that way up. I'm by myself. Lift this hood. Slip in these two shims. Alright. They're in. Tighten them up. Alright. No other changes. It's the only change I made. I'm not even going to break the camera. We're just going to zoom out so you can see what's going on. Now watch, we're going to come over here, and when I close it, you're going to see that gap is going to be just right. Let me get you close onto it. I want to do this in one take so that you can see it's no funny business with the internet. All right, let's see, right there. You lower it, so you can kind of get on top of it. You can see how it fits. So we're looking for that. We want to make sure that it comes down. And here we go. Closing it. And there it went. And it's down. It's down. Look, I'm pushing on it. It's actually hitting the bumper. So it's already down. And that's it. It's as simple as that. So get yourself a couple of body shims and loosen those hinges up. Just adjust that forward one down. It's counterintuitive. You want to pick the back up, lower the front down, and that's going to change the geometry of the hinge, but that's going to get it done for you. So do hope you found that helpful, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And I tell you what, I've got over 150 videos of me restoring Christine here. And we're almost finished, so we got plenty of videos to go check out. So if you found that tip helpful, check out some other videos. So until I see you next time, please take care of yourself. Cheers.